A product locally made and an environmentally friendly solution for household use. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at the multi-purpose product Free and Simple Dry Detergent made by Delta 10X Labs. Here's Aisha Nation.
Free and Simple, a locally made dry detergent for household use. It's the creation of husband and wife duo Andre and Tamara Lynch. Their journey began in 2009 when they formed Delta 10X Labs.
We've made the first dry detergent that has been made in Jamaica in over 20 years. So the problem is that Jamaica is the largest detergent market in English-speaking Caribbean. But it's 99% control. It's 90% controlled by imports, and all of the dry detergent is imported. The difference with this and a regular dry detergent that you would buy is that you can use this product for both whites and colors.
The product has multiple uses for colored and white loads.
What I'm showing you here is that you can do your colors and it will cause no damage whatsoever to the colors. It won't bleach it, it won't cause it to bleed or anything like that.
It's environmentally friendly.
Because it's made from natural Jamaican sea salt, it is skin safe, it is food safe,
hypoallergenic,
safe for baby clothes. You could even
safe for sensitive
You could
skin.
even use it to brush your teeth if you wanted to.
I do use it to brush my teeth.
We wanted to make it absolutely safe because we wanted to ensure that it was healthy and environmentally friendly at the same time.
Free and Simple was launched in the pandemic. This presented some challenges.
We did a small launch in 2020. It went well, but we had to hit pause and go and get investment. COVID was a challenge because we couldn't move around freely. But our biggest challenge was inflation. How do we give our customers the best? How do we find a way to give our customers the best possible product that we could give them while working with less?
She says producing a detergent that competes with so many imported products isn't easy, but says the company has received assistance from a number of SME support groups. The 10-year-old company is also looking to improve its output.
We can do a few thousand cases a month, but once we receive the investment and we finish building out our capacity, we can supply up to 100,000 units a month. And we're targeting that by the end of next year.
So we have a capacity of about 400 cases now, but as soon as we complete our funding round with First Angels Jamaica,
we'll be able to do 4,000 cases a month.
Yeah, easily.
The cost to actually have everything made or processed in your lab.
Yeah.
What's that like?
Right. So in fact, that's probably the biggest innovation. The biggest innovation is how do you match? Because remember, we're doing small batches. Our competition are doing thousands of tons, millions of tons. And so how do you match their prices on the shelf? And the only way we could do that was through science innovation. Using the sea salt was a very big help because sea salt is inexpensive.
A power couple battling stains and supporting greener solutions. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.